Well, LECO has a long relationship with the petroleum industry and with GCC. We've been sending down and showcasing at GCC, bringing our mobile laboratory for many years. The petroleum industry has some really complex chemistries in their samples, and so their analytical challenges align well with LECO's solutions. We brought down the Pegasus BT4D, which I think is familiar to most users. It's actually inside what's new. So with this show, we're showcasing our new Paradigm flow modulator. This is a reverse fill flush style modulator for GC by GC capabilities. And then down here we have our shift flow splitter. And this is a novel flow splitter for TOF MS and FID dual acquisition. LECO's taken the RFF design and made a couple innovations to improve its use. On the modulator side, we've installed a back pressure regulation for loop filling as opposed to the traditional bleed line restrictors. And this means that if you want to make a flow rate change or an analytical column change, you're not having to worry about changing these restrictors to make sure that you maintain full transfer. On the shift flow splitter side of things, we've designed it such that it maintains an equal split ratio between the MS and the FID throughout the entire analytical run, the GC up ramp that is, such that during your run you're maintaining that constant split ratio and you can do really high quality group type analyses. LECO's time of flight systems, right, our mass spectrometers, have really fast acquisition rates, full spectrum acquisition, and this is conducive to the narrow peak widths produced by GC. So we have a history of making really powerful non-targeted instruments. With the Paradigm and Shift introduction, we're really trying to take that and also add on excellent quantitative capabilities. I can think of 3 key markets, but certainly the options are extend beyond that. In the petroleum field, this is really excellent for hydrocarbon characterization. So being that it's a flow modulator, it's especially excellent for the lighter cuts, thinking like jet fuels or naphthas. But we've injected all the way up to crude oils and received some excellent data. If you're thinking about kind of the aroma or food flavor fragrance industry, this is a powerful tool for reformulation experiments where you need to have both a non-targeted data acquisition, but then also obtain quantitative information. What are the chemicals and how much, right? And then lastly, in the environmental field, I think it could be very useful for total petroleum hydrocarbon analyses because you get that group type analysis.